everybody, my name is Bob and I'm with Novatto. I'm going to talk to you today about one of our newest stone sink additions, but also by far our heaviest. This bad boy weighs in at a solid 95 pounds, so it's going to be one of your most stunning pieces, but it's also probably going to be one of your heaviest pieces in the bathroom. But I'm going to highlight a couple of features and kind of some design cues. First out of the gate is it is 18 inches square, and it's going to be 4 inches deep. And essentially what you're looking at here is the front, and then it basically has a gravity flow towards the drain, which is the back here. The sides are chiseled, which is really unique. It's basically a hand chisel, if you will, but the sides are going to be the same as what you see on the front here. And then the back, I'll flip the back up and I'll show you the difference. The back is basically smooth. It's not chiseled, but it's also not polished like this. And like I said, I'll flip it up and show you there. So let's tip this heavy guy up a minute. So as you can see there, it's basically polished, or it's not polished, excuse me, it's smooth, but it's not polished. And so you can do a couple things with that. So you could put it up against your wall completely flush, and then you would have like a wall mount faucet, or you could leave a little bit of room and just have like a single hole vessel faucet. So a couple different options there. The drain is 1 3/4 inches. I'll tip it up again here. 1 3/4 inches, and you'll just need a standard umbrella drain, which is what we recommend because that has a little bit longer threading, and it also does not have an overflow, as this sink doesn't either, as you can probably tell. So the bottom here on the installation side is really kind of easy. You know, granted it's not light, but it's going to be an easy installation. You're just going to put a little bit of silicone on the bottom and then adhere it to your countertop, of course. And then once you install the drain, it's going to be secure. That's going to be it. The coloring is very, very consistent. Black granite is it's always going to be consistent from piece to piece. What you see here is going to be what you get when you open up the box. And it does come in a box, but sometimes if you order more than one, it'll come on a small pallet for you. Lastly, I just want to talk about kind of a maintenance side of things. You know, it is natural stone, so you'll just want to seal it just from a kind of a preventative care, if you will. You know, granite's very durable, of course. You don't have to, but it'll basically help with eliminating some water spots. If you have hard water in your area, you're going to get a lot less maintenance with that. So we have a great product called Glacier Ice, which is just basically a pre-soaked wipe, and you'll just simply wipe it on, and that's going to last you for about a year. And that's really all you need for that, because depending on the use, you're not going to need to seal it more than once a year. So if you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.